Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a demo on free YouTube rank checker. So the purpose of this free YouTube rank checker is to monitor your videos on the YouTube search engine for the given keyword, and it will give you the rank of your video for that particular keyword. So that's the purpose of this free YouTube rank checker. But one of the main advantages, once you set up the script, it will continuously run on a daily basis and send you the rank report to your email ID that you have given on B1. So just make sure that you have given the email ID on this B1 column, and if you want to give any other email ID like it's not belong to Gmail, you can also give. And I highly recommend to give the email ID that you most frequently check, so that on a daily basis around 7 to 8 a.m. in the morning you will get the rank report on your email. So I will tell you shortly how to do a setup. So all you need to do is just do a one-time setup. So just set and forget it, that's it. But at any time you can come and change the keyword, as well as you can add more YouTube videos, because whenever you're creating a videos, make the habit of adding the YouTube URL and the targeted keywords here. So you don't need to worry about that. You can just monitor the keyword and you get to know how your YouTube video is performing for that particular keyword. And it also you can target two keywords for a single particular video. For example, this is a video, and if you want to target this video for another keyword, just put like this. So this is a keyword, this is a second keyword that I want to target for this video, so you can add it like this if needed. So I just don't need right now, so I will delete that one. So you need to do a one-time setup. I will tell you how to do that. First, you have to copy paste the URL of your YouTube video and what is the keyword that you want to target for that particular video. So let me tell you the easy way of taking the URL. So go to YouTube dashboard and make sure that you have the plugin installed. So I will give you the link of the plugin in the YouTube description. Just install that plugin, and here you will see an icon like this. Just click on this and go to info tab, and this is a direct video link. Just copy this one and put it here. So that's it, and you can give the keyword that you want to target. So it's that simple. And you have to enable the YouTube data API to fetch the YouTube search results from YouTube. So to do that, go to tools and script editor, and here you need to go to resources and click on advanced Google services. So scroll down and make sure that you have enabled this YouTube data API. It should be turned on like this. Also, you need to enable this on Google Cloud Platform API dashboard. Just click on this link, it will take you to that particular dashboard. So here you need to enable API and services. So here I have already enabled this YouTube data API v3. So just click on enable API and search for API. Just type YouTube data and it will show you the result or relevant result. Click on this YouTube data API v3, and here you have already enabled this API enable, but you will get a button to enable this API. So just click on this button to enable this API. Once that is done, close this one and click on OK here and close the script editor. As soon as you click on OK, you can see that it's updating the Google API Cloud dashboard. So just close the script editor as well. That's it, we are done. And you have to give authorization to this Google Sheet to run on a daily basis and send you the report. So let me show you how to give an authorization. So here you can see the YouTube rank checker menu. You will see that only on this Google Sheet because it's a custom menu applicable only to this sheet. So just click on it and select initialize. So this is an authorization pop-up message. Click on continue. So here you need to select your YouTube channel. So if you have a multiple YouTube channel associated with the Gmail, so just select the particular channel that you want to monitor, and sometime you will get a pop-up, this app isn't verified, so you need to verify this one. Click on this advanced and go to YouTube script and give access to interact with that YouTube data API and send an email notification. So once that is done, you can see that the script has started running. That's it. So it pulled the rank and the title, as well as you can track the keyword difficulty and backlink analysis. So this is like a set and forget. This is a one-time setup. You just need to do for only one time, and from next, apart from that, you on a morning around 7 to 8 a.m. on everyday morning, you will get an email starting the ranking of all these YouTube link that you have given here and the rank for that particular video. So this is an email. So as soon as I ran the script, I got an email. So here you can click on this open Google spreadsheet link just to add or delete the keyword. If you made a new video, you can just put that URL, and you can also mention the keyword that you want to target, and the remaining thing will be pulled by the script. So here you can see that it is a keyword, and this is a rank, and this is a title, and you can check the keyword difficulty right from your email. Just click on this keyword difficulty, and this is the keyword that I'm targeting for. So the keyword, the difficulty is 37 out of 100, and it is possible. So basically it's a good keyword that I'm targeting. And if you want to analyze the backlink, you can click on analyze the backlink. So let me show you whether it showing the correct rank or not. So I will copy the keyword and I'm going to put that on YouTube. So just put that keyword, and you can see that my video is ranking in the second position for this keyword. So it is fetching the value correctly, and on an everyday basis it will just refresh the rank and it will send you the updated rank. Also you can here you can see the indication mark whether your rank is moving up or down, because as of now there was no change in the rank. That's why it's showing the black text here. But if there is any change, if there is a rise in your rank or if there is a drop in your rank, here you will see an indication showing that whether your video is moving up for the keyword or it's moving down for the keyword. So you can just do a keyword difficulty, or you can improve your backlink, and you can improve the rank of your keyword. So that's it. You can download this free YouTube rank checker, and the description and the link for this YouTube Google Sheet is given in the description. So just make use of that.